telling you until you open it.
Yeah, wrap it.
You know.
How do you know I wrapped it?
I'm sorry.
When you're ready, what the?
Yo, guys, can you stop fucking with me right now? Yo, guys, stop fucking with me right now. Oh my god. What the fuck is this? Yo, stop fucking with me. What is this?
Wait, open it. Wait, open it like this. Open it like this. Open it. Yo, I'm telling you, it's a mad good gift.
Oh my god, you fucking
Wait, what's it mean? You're not the only one that can be owned.
Oh my god.
I don't know. She has to find out. She has to find out. She has to find out.
When you wrap it fucking 8 times.
My rapping skills improved like 10 times.
Fuck out of it. Open
Which one's the one you want?
I'd be so mad.
Oh my goodness. Fucking asshole.
I thought it was huge,
Watch
but
it get smaller. Watch it get smaller.
Nah, this is final. This is it. This is it.
Still a box. There's 3 boxes out of that. Yeah.
another box.
Open it.
Yo, is this soap?
It's a bar of soap, yo.
Finally?
Shit.
Sonic, what was the little
No.
Oh shit, because her hair is red.
Just a box.
Okay, look under it. Look under it. Look under it.
What the fuck?
It wasn't me. Just because it's Chinese envelope doesn't mean it's me.
There's nothing in it though.
Yeah, there is.
Oh.
Is it weed?
Oh, Derek is here.
Oh my god. It's gonna be like, look under the piano.
Look in the closet.
Oh, wow.
Oh, by the front door. Yo,
Wow,
what is it?
good.
Is it this?
Yeah.
Oh, that's so cute.
It's a box. I got it.
Fuck you guys, yo, who did this?
Jackie's real gift is
Oh, what is this?
And
Rocket dog.
is it cheetah?
Oh.
Rocket dog?
Yeah. Unroll it. Slowly unroll it. Slowly unroll it. Slowly unroll it.
So fucking.
What the hell?
No. Slowly, like this.
slowly.
Unroll it like
Okay,
this.
okay.
Nigga, I'm not cleaning stuff, by the way.
Jesus. Are you guys making fun of me right now?
Is there gonna be like a period?
This is a fucked up present.
Fuck you guys, I hate you. Toilet paper.
Get it? Oh, Nana, what's my name? Toilet
Who's cleaning
paper.
that up, yo? Shit is,
Yo, why do you guys do this to me?
Wait, like umbrella. Excuse me.
Are you serious? Oh my goodness. Oh, excuse me.
Hurry up.
It's like 20 minutes. Oh my god.
Hurry up.
Oh my goodness.
LOL. Snowman.
Can I stop?
Yo, I just can't. Yo, where's Alex? Alex, I can't stop.
Nasty.
Yo, what the hell?
Now search the trees.
Oh my god.
There's a freaking scavenger hunt.
No. Not that tree. The monkey tree. The one in the
Go
jungle.
outside.
The tree monkey.
What?
The trees. Oh, past her.
Pastor Wong.
Oh.